Hello my awesome people, welcome back to today's video guys. This is a undecorate video with me. I'm going to be taking down all of this beautiful Halloween decor. I'm super sad to see these little guys go, but they have to go. I'm going to pack them up nice and neat in some totes and some plastic bags and keep everything organized so they do not get scratched and things like that, and also they do not break, especially my Rae Dunn cups here. I'm going to be packing my little dish towels away. You see, I do not actually use these to wipe my hands on, mainly for the core purposes, so I just love them. They are so neat and pretty to me, so I'm going to be packing those away as well with a lot of other things. So I'm going to be including my Halloween decor as well as my fall decor in some totes. You'll see here, these are the plastic bags I got from the Dollar Tree. They are really large, so they are able to fit a lot of things inside the bags. So I'm going to be using these today to store like my Halloween decor and just all that little small stuff that I had up for Halloween to keep everything neat and organized. I'm going to be using this black bin here. I know it's not going to fit all of my Halloween decor. I'm just going to include it in some bigger bins that's going to have like some Halloween decor and some fall decor as well. So I hope you enjoyed today's video guys.
Fireflies and starry night, got nothing on this magic. Can't sleep through the night, I got you on my mind. The sky's always on fire like the 4th of July. To be by your side,
yes, I'm trying super hard not to break my little ghost I bought from Dollar General. I just love this thing. I'm going to be wrapping all of my Rae Dunn cups in this plastic wrap and including them in my Halloween decor, so whenever I take it out next year I don't have to search for them. They'll all be in one tote all together. I'm wrapping my little tea towels in those bags I got from the Dollar Tree, and also I'm going to be wrapping all of my little signs so they will stay nice and neat, so they won't get scratched and things like that. So just to keep everything organized so it's nice whenever I pull it out next year. I have been debating whether or not to decorate for Thanksgiving. I may put a few pumpkins out here and there, just a few, but I'm super excited to get my spaces clean in preparation for my Christmas decorate videos. So guys, stay tuned for that. So I am just super excited to have everything nice and clean and just to have a clean slate, so I already know where I'm going to place all of my upcoming Christmas decoration guys. So you do not want to miss any of my Christmas content that is coming up here on my channel guys. So please stay tuned for all of this Christmas motivation coming up here on my channel. If you have not subscribed guys, hit that subscribe button, and also guys, hit that notification button so you will not miss any of my future uploads. wrapped my little boo pillow in that black bag as well. I also wrapped another pillow as well. This tote right here is just has like all of the Halloween decor all nice and neat, and everything is in there, no particular order. I also have a few fall decor things in the tote as well, but everything is packed nice and neat, so it will not break and things like that. You see I have these little guys all packed up in the bag together. I had to like squish them in there, but that's okay because I can still fluff them out for next year. So everything looks okay to me, so I'm gonna be packing it up and storing it away in just a minute, guys. Next, I have to store this big old guy here, so I'm just gonna store him in like a black plastic bag, and I made this hanging on the wall in my storage building so it does not break or anything like that. So we are outside now, guys. We have everything in the totes, and I'm just making sure I have everything from the house so I can go ahead and put it inside of our storage building, guys. It looks like a lot, but it also has like some fall decor in there as well as some Halloween decor. So I think I have it nice and neat and packed and ready to go. Yes, my awesome people, my stove needed some attention, so I'm just going to be using the Dawn Power Wash to scrub it off. I wanted to include some cleaning motivation in this video to get you up to tackle one space in your home, guys. So you'll see me here, I'm just scrubbing it down because there's some spots on there that would not come up. So I'm using this Dawn brush scrubber that I purchased from the Dollar General, and I usually like to keep these on hand to clean out the sink and the stove area. And also I keep one in my bathroom area to scrub out the bathtub. They work really well. You can fill the top up with some soap or whatever, or some pine salt or some vinegar or whatever, but they work awesome, guys. So pick you up one of these brushes.
not stupid, I know what I'm doing. Every time you get lost running out in your thoughts, I know exactly who you're missing. I know I look desperate.
Okay guys, here I'm spraying down my wall area right here on my countertop with some Pine Sol solution that is mixed with water. And actually the Pine Sol really cuts grease really well. So I'm just cleaning this area so I can put back up my Hobby Lobby shelf And I'm also going to be dusting off my Hobby Lobby shelf and getting that all nice and clean. Like I said before, I'm just super excited to have my space clean so I can go ahead and start decorating for Christmas, guys. You do not want to miss my videos.
I'm not angry, and I really can't be. I made you my life, knowing full well you might not have even been ready. I know how this seems, but I gotta believe when you're finally done and your heart gives her up, we can be all that I dreamed. I know that you don't love me, and I'm either sad or crazy.
This is the shelf I bought from Hobby Lobby. You guys have seen it in my previous videos. I do not use furniture polish on this shelf because I think if you do, it will like make it greasy, and this type of wood material really will absorb the grease in the furniture polish, and it just will make the piece look very nasty. Actually, what I'm using here is just like a baby wipe, and actually when it dries back to its original color, so it just cleans very well on this type of wood piece I have here.
You accept the love you think you deserve, and I know you can do better than her. You can do better than her.
Guys, here I'm cleaning behind my refrigerator. Like I said, I included some cleaning motivation so you guys can get that motivation to go and tackle some spots in your own home, and just be proud of the progress that you are making. You do not have to clean your whole house in one day. That's ridiculous, I think. So just take baby steps to clean one area. It will make you feel so accomplished, guys. I do that all the time. So do not ever feel like you got to clean everything in one day, because I know I will be totally exhausted. So just take baby steps and just take a space at a time, and I guarantee you it will make you feel a whole lot better about your home. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and my organizing motivation I have given you, and also my cleaning motivation I included in this video as well. Guys, if you are not subscribed to my channel, guys, please do so. You do not want to miss any of my upcoming content in regards to this Christmas season. I'm going to be doing Christmas hauls, Christmas cleaning, Christmas decorating, and all that good stuff, guys. So please join me here on my journey, guys. Keep your bell notification on so you will not miss any of my upcoming videos, guys. I am super excited to decorate for Christmas, and I just want to show you guys all of the stuff I have bought over the past couple of weeks, guys. So please join me here so I can give you all of that motivation that you need and all that cleaning motivation that you need, guys, to get up and tackle your home. So until next time, guys, bye.
Sad or crazy, but as long as you still